public health professional? Lot of students are now asking this question, and there is no clear guideline. I mean, you have students, hundreds and hundreds of students every year now who are doing MPH. But how to establish yourself as the best candidate in the job market? I'm Dr. Pranav, HOD Department of Public Health at GD Goenka University, and today I'm going to talk about what are the things that characterizes a best public health aspirant and a best job seeker in the market. So the first thing, as I emphasize times and again, public health is a practical science. You need to know the intricacies day in and day out, how you deliver healthcare to the community. It's not just delivering health to individually persons who are sick. Rather, you talk to community and you establish right way of thinking and right behavior in the community. For that, you make sure that whatever institution you are joining, you involve yourself in all the public health activities and community interaction. So that way you get the experience, like you can go to different villages and talk to villagers about, say, tuberculosis, malaria, all the infectious diseases, or you can talk to the children and mothers about nutrition. So that way you build a certain kind of confidence. Apart from that, as I say, it's master level program. You're already coming from graduation. So now you need to have right kind of research ability also. That's very critical thing. Apart from going to community and public health communication skills, the second thing that you can showcase to your future employers is your ability to do research. Research is essentially two things. One, it's citation. So you need to learn how you do literature review, going to public health literature, different journals, articles, being able to accumulate right kind of information about the work that has been done, and then post the literature review, you need to understand the community and do research, collect the data, transform the data into new and practical reality, the right kind of information for the policymakers to translate that information into right kind of policies. For governments, for NGOs, for CSR activities, you need to create right kind of insights. All this is possible when you engage as a researcher in community. So there's two aspects, your public health communication and your research, and learn to showcase it on all the platforms where your employers can look. Say you post all your research publication links on LinkedIn, you post your community work outcomes in different news media, newspapers, journals, and then you can also publish it on YouTube, all the work that you are doing. So that way, if you create the right kind of trail where your employers can verify you have the right required skill, they will be looking for you rather than other way around. I always tell my students, the best way to seek a job is not to seek the job. If you are most qualified, if you are right candidate, the employers are seeking. Right now there is a huge scarce of people who can really work. If you establish yourself as a right worker who is trained to do the job from day one, imagine there is just no competition. So wish you all the best and welcome every one of you to join the ranks of public health and transform the healthcare of India and world. Thank you.